All right, welcome back. So we are on what's this one called? SecNotes today on Hack the Box. So I already ran a Rust scan, just started it while kind of like the video was loading up and everything was loading up and stuff like that. So I ran a SecNotes or a Rust scan on here. It looks like we have port 80 and 88 and 445. Let's go and start off with SMB client. See if we can't get something with that. See if there's anything in there that we could utilize. All right, not looking like it like right there. Also make sure that everything else is pulled up. Yeah, everything looks good. Okay, it doesn't look like we got anything in there. Okay. Um, I only have so much time also, so we'll try this guy right here and see if we can get him quick. Let me get some music going too. It's horrible without music, you know. Well, in my ears. You guys just hear me, which sounds horrible. Let's go and check out port 80 and 8088, I think it was. Okay, looks like we got secure notes login. All right, nope, nothing there. Sign up now. Username. Let's try carrot, carrot, carrot. Submit. Was 1 second. Okay. All right. Looks like we have changed password. Sign out. Contact us. A new note. Let's go ahead and click on new note. See if we got anything in here. See if we get anything with that. We do not. Okay. Um. Let's get burp suite going. Come on, look at that reset password also, because if we're able to reset someone else's password, that'd be great. I don't know whose password yet. Administrator? I don't know yet. But if we could reset someone else's password, that'd be sweet. We'll try to do something like that where we can actually, but it all depends on what's going on there. Also wondering if there's SQL injection in here too. Try that like right there, huh? All right, now it's got an internal server error on that one, like right there. So it didn't like that at all. Um, well, I also kind of messed it up too, didn't I? That guy like right there. Let's go ahead and try. Let's try something like this. See if there's SQL injection like right there. We also throw it at SQL map. Let's go ahead and try to throw this at SQL map actually. We got burp suite up and running, right? So I'm gonna go with burp. Oh, I don't have an intercept on, do I? Damn it. Let's go and save item. We'll put that into Hack the Box. This one was called. What's this one called again? SecNotes. That's what it is. SecNotes. And we'll just call it SQL.text. Let's go and try an SQL map on that. There. Well, let's go in. Let's go ahead and log back in and see if we get anything. Okay, so we go to home. We have these notes, right? Oh, due to GDPR, all users must delete any notes that contain personally. Okay, please contact Tyler at SecNotes at HTB using the contact link below with a questions. Okay. Can we delete that now? There's only like one note that we're allowed to make at a time. Okay. So that was Tyler at, what was it again? Damn it. Tyler at secnotes.htb. Let's see if we can change the password. So we want to see what this does. Does this way allow me to change my own password, or how does this work? Update password, confirm password. Okay, so it brings me back to user Carrot has no notes. Okay, password updated. So can we update his password then? Okay. Wait. Let's see if we can't update his password. It was Tyler, right? Let's try to. Let's first off see if he does anything here. Let's first off do a quick let's go ahead and stop this like real quick. Let's see if he actually. See if he can download anything. See if he clicks on anything, like a hyperlink or anything like that. Yes, he does. Okay. Okay. I know what to do. We're going to do cross-site request forgery. So we are going to, let's see here. We have to go to our, where's my burst speed at? We got to go to change pass, right? So we're going to need that like right there. So we're going to do HTTP 10.10.10.97. Change pass, right? And then from there it was change pass and we had this like right here, right? So we had password, confirm password, and then we had submit, correct? And then what happens whenever we do that? What do we get back? So let's go ahead and see if we can make his password admin123. Change pass, and then we did equal sign, right? Or no? Question mark password. So now we just wait, I guess, because it goes back to home, right? I probably should have started up, like had like another web server going to see like where it actually did it. Let's go and do that again. I have no idea. Let's change pass.php. And let's go ahead and scroll down, and then we'll do and that's just to see when he actually clicks on one, if he clicks on the other one. Let's see. Okay, so he already clicked on it. So we can go ahead and try to change his password. Let's go ahead and sign out and try to sign in as that Tyler guy, which I already forgot what his thing was. Okay, there we go. So Tyler. And I don't know if it's going to be like how this is actually going to go. If that's going to be like his email, just Tyler. What's up, Brave? How you doing? Okay. It is Cali Gnome, yes. All right, so admin123 is now working like right there. That's okay. I'm wondering, is it the whole thing to sign in now? I'm wondering. No account found that username, but Tyler doesn't seem to have. But the password I entered was invalid for Tyler. Huh. I figured that would have worked like right there. Oh, did I put a damn question mark in there? I don't think I put a damn question mark in it, did I? Let's go ahead and go to new note. I'm doing good. How you doing? Oh, I already asked. I'm an asshole. All right, don't save. Let's go ahead and go to new note, right? And we're going to was it new note? No, it's going to be contact us. Okay. So we're going to do HTTP 10, 10, 10, 97. Change pass.php question mark, and then we'll put in the rest of the stuff in here, right? And then we'll put my thing at the very end there to see like right when we think they changed the password. 10, 10, 14, 13, test.text. So go ahead and leave it like that. Send that off. Okay. Now we'll see like right when we get a callback on test.text, and we do. Okay, cool. So we get a callback on test.text. Now let's see if his password's changed. Nope, that still did not work. Huh. Okay. I really thought that would work right there. Let's go back to sign up now then. Let's try like that. No account found that username. I feel like there should be though. Can we just sign that username up? Okay. So we have SQL injection kind of thing. Okay, and we're actually we're new site. Okay, so we have a SecNotes HTB, Tyler, then whatever all this is. Years, and then maybe sticky buns. Okay. I'm wondering, is that Tyler's password? Let's go ahead and echo all that into. Let's go ahead and echo. This should be Tyler, and I think that's his password. And we'll put that into user pass.text, right? And then from here we can go ahead and we can do try to SSH it. Oh, there's no SSH on this box, was there? We got 8445. Okay, it looks like we're going in at 80. Okay, let's try SMB client. See if there's anything in here. And also let's go ahead and see, okay, so we do have new site like right there. Let's also go ahead and see if we do an SMB execute here. Let's do a /Tyler. Oh, no, so yeah, when I restarted my computer, yes, it finally was like, oh, okay, yeah, I can wake up. It's like, oh, thanks. But no, we actually had to download. Pressures Up asked what happened with. I actually showed it this morning with the Windows box yesterday. So what we had to do was we had to actually download version 3 of Bloodhound. That works with Sharphound. So we actually had to download version 3 of Bloodhound, and then from there, um, we had to download the. I'll show you actually, just in case if you're going to do it and you're going to try to put it on the Windows like I did. Neo4j download. So don't download what it wants you to download, right? It's desktop, okay? So you can click on that one, just don't download it, right? You're going to go to products and then graph database, right? And Bloodhound also doesn't like to work with Neo4j5 on Windows at least. It didn't really like it very much. So from here, I went to community version 4.4.21, Windows executable, and then it finally downloaded and I could go into PowerShell and run everything. Okay, it doesn't look like new site. I don't know if I actually pasted in the correct password though. And then once we got there, there's a couple other things, just to get to root. But it was fun after that. Okay, looks like okay, we're on the IS page. Easy day. Actually, want to try something real quick. Let's want to try this real quick. That's all. And the IS page should be, where was that at? That was in SecNotes, right? So we should just have to go to what, SecNotes, I think, right? So we should be able to curl it, I think. So we'll try that. Um, oh, 8088, right? Oh, is something run on port 80? Is Apache running? Okay, Apache is running. That's weird. Okay, looks like you broke the box. Okay. Just want to see if it will work the same as one of my invoke box work. That's all. All right. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and echo. Let's try to put test on here. Let's see if we can't go there. Man, I've royally destroyed this page, huh? Okay. let's go ahead and let's. There. Okay, so we do have a test.txt on there, but it doesn't seem to be going to it. Can we curl it? Is the box broken? Let's go ahead and reset the machine, I guess. Yeah, we'll give this machine a quick reset. If you want to actually run it in Python 3, right? There's a couple different ways you could run this, okay? You could do something like, you could say with open, right? Let's go ahead and actually start up a Python fucking script like right here. So we'll say sublime test.py. Give me 1 second. Someone asked a question in chat. So we can say with open, whatever you want to name it. So you got a.text, right? A.text, and then comma w. That means write to it as f. Okay, so you're gonna open that up, right? Then you say f dot write, and then you can put everything in there that you want to write. So you say f dot write print, or f dot write a times whatever. And then f dot print. That should work like right there. I think it will. I think it will work. I don't know. I suck at Python, so I have no idea. Or print f. No, it should be f dot print, right? There you go. 5,000 ace. Try to do a buffer overflow. Guess we could always just say, might be able to do something like that. Although that shouldn't work like right there. So I don't think it should. Yeah. Okay, that's gonna print like that. That's what I thought. I'll say that's gonna be like really weird. It should just be f dot print. But oh, you wanna know why? Might have to actually get out of here. No, it doesn't like the f dot print for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't like the f dot print. But that's how you would do it, like right there. Or there's other ways to be able to do it just within bash and stuff like that too. All right. So let's go ahead and so we have the password. Well, we had the password. Did I lose it? No, I put it in user pass.txt, right? Let's go ahead and get back into this guy. Go ahead and grab this. All right, there we go. Okay. And then let's go ahead and do a dir again. And let's try to put that test.txt again. And let's see if we can actually get to it from 8088. I don't think it's going to be there. Nope, it should be in 8088, right? Maybe just 8088 is like super slow or something. It was there, right? Yeah, 8808. Maybe if I go to the right place, we wouldn't have to reset boxes. There we go. Okay, cool. Now I'm wondering about the IS. So let's go ahead and get IS again. Well, actually, I should have it right up here, right? I want to try something real quick. We're going to try this again. I know I thought I just broke the box with it, but I did not. Okay. Got responder up and running. So let's see something real quick. Okay, it did not make a call back to me. Okay, did not make a call back to me. Okay, let's go ahead and put a reverse shell into here. I'm going to go with we need a Windows reverse shell. So let's go ahead and copy from tools, Windows rev shell.php. We're going to sublime that Windows rev shell.php. We know port 445 is open, so let's go ahead and keep it on there. We'll do 10.10, 14.13. Let's go ahead and throw that guy up there, but we'll go ahead and change his name to shell.php. We'll go ahead and put shell.php. And let's stop that. And we'll do an RL wrap on port 445, right? So we'll do a slash shell.php. And we do get a callback. Cool. Who am I? And I'm IS. Okay. Who am I? Slash all. Do I have the privileges that I think I have? SE impersonator privilege is enabled. All right. System info. What we got here? It's Windows 10. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at my notes here. For Windows 10, that would be, this is for versions less than Windows Server 2016. So that should be this one, right? Print that one, or it might be Print Spoofer. We can try either one, but I'm thinking it's gonna be Juicy Potato. Let's go ahead and check out CD and tools, because we do have. Oh, did I actually exit out of the damn box itself? God bless. Okay. So now let's go ahead and let's there we go. CD and a C temp. Make directory then, C temp. CD there. Okay. We'll go ahead. Oh, it kicks us out. Well, that's not nice. Not nice. Okay. Then we gotta move fast, huh? Because it kicks us right out of there. Okay. So it kicks us out. So let's go ahead and do a we'll go ahead and we can copy over netcat, right? So we start up an SMB server, and we can go ahead and do netcat. We want to actually get the netcat actually reverse shell, and we want to try to, let's go ahead and try something like this, like right here, and see if we can't get a callback somewhere else again. All right, we'll do that. We'll have that ready to go. We already have that, so we'll do our all wrap again, right? Oh, sorry. Go back to here. Oh, it freaking kicks us totally out of it. What an ass cloud, huh? That's a B client. Okay. Okay, put that shell back in there. Now let's go ahead and let's get everything ready like where I need that. So that's good. That guy's up there. That guy's ready to go. And then I need an SMB server going over here. I'm not going to be able to do that with that guy up and running. Obviously. Okay, just want to make sure that that was ready to go. All right, now let's go to shell.php. Okay, there's that. Oh god, it's copying this, isn't it? You're right, it's 100% incorrect because I gotta do these this way. Damn it. And I also have to start an SMB server. God bless. Okay, let's try one more time. That was all me. That was all me. What? What do you mean it's not found? NC64, or we're not trying to just cut NC64.exe, NC64.exe. How's it not found? It's right there. Oh, I forgot to put in share. Thank you, Fernos. Thank you. No, I'm just because I'm trying to move super fast. I say thank you for 100% forgot to put in share. And let me guess, we can't get back in the shell. Oh, we can. Okay, cool. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Shit, I left that up there. That's not gonna work because I left that. Should be something like that, like right there. Ah, man. What's up, Security Live? How you doing? This thing's whooped my ass like right now. Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking too. I messed up. Okay, now it's gone. Okay. Okay, let's just go ahead. Let's just do the whole freaking thing. So we are going to copy. Copy from 10.10.14.13. Share nc64.exe. So right there. Well, that's not even the whole thing, is it? It's going to be cd into c temp. Copy. And then we're going to do an nc because we're going to have to do this in PowerShell. Tac e, which is going to be command.exe 10 14 13. That's not even the right freaking IP address too. 443. There. Let's go ahead and try that like right there. And what we should actually do is actually just do a PowerShell tac c. There. So that'll be the whole thing like right there. And one nice sweep of a command. Okay. SMB server. Can't do that yet because this guy's still up and running. Okay. Let's go ahead and go back to shell.php. Let's just go ahead and do that like right there. Nothing. Can you run more than one command in a command prompt? No, you cannot, can you? We're going to do this one at a time. Dude, I'll start with PowerShell, though. Does PowerShell actually understand copy or does it understand CP? Okay, it does actually. It understands both. Okay. All right. Okay, let's stop trying to get fancy here. God damn. No destination. What? What do you mean no destination? What? Destination right the hell there. What the hell are you talking about? What is this guy talking about? No destination. Yeah, I mean, we could try to do something like that, but I mean, I don't think it's gonna be anything. I think it's just it's got a script on it that's obviously running that's kicking us out way too quickly, in my opinion. I mean, it should be like every like 5 minutes, not every fucking 10 seconds. But because that's not. I mean, if you're getting kicked out that much in real life, you're not gonna continue attacking it. They obviously know you're there. You know, it's not like you're not tricking anybody. Obviously, they obviously know that you're sitting in there. So I don't really know. I feel like shell.php's gone. It's not yet, but yet. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to put it in this way. Like that. So about to do something like this. There we go. Okay. Now, if he gets kicked out, we should still be good now. Because he should be able to get kicked out now. There. Okay, I think that should work. I don't exactly know. Um, that's just a wild guess that that's going to work. Okay, who am I? And we do have SE impersonate, right? So let's go ahead and try to upload that. I'm thinking juicy potato. Let's try this straight up one first. At least I have everything else I need on here with me, right? God damn it. Did I do the slashes the wrong way again? I always do those the wrong way. All the time. No, I did not do. What? Share. Oh my God. I am losing it today. I don't know what my problem is today. I really don't. I have no idea what my problem is. All right. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I am losing my mind today for some reason. All right. What's up? All right. Let's go ahead and let's try to run juicy potato here. See if that'll work for us. Okay. So we got C temp, right? 10, 10, 14, 13. Sure, why not? I'll do it on 443 again. And we are NT authority. There we go. Um, was that the correct way? Has anyone done this box? I'm gonna go with that was not the correct way, was it? There's no way that was the correct way. Because I don't know if you guys saw as I was going through and the users, look at, there's a, no, it wasn't in users. Where was it at? There's an Ubuntu.zip. Distros. Why is there Ubuntu on here? Uh, 1 second. CD to Tyler. That's who we just came in as, right? Was Tyler the guy? Yeah. CD to desktop here. There's a bash.link. There's a. Okay. I don't think that was the right way up. Because we're going to run with it, but we're going to try and figure out something else. There's a bash. I'm pretty sure we're running subsystem for Linux here. I don't think that was correct at all. Because we have a bash.link. Oh shit, what was that noise? Something crazy just happened in my ear. Oh, that was Hack the Box. I was wondering what the hell was happening. Okay. I don't think that was correct, though. We have a bash.link. Can we run that? Well, let's go ahead and go back into Tyler over here, right? No, we are not Tyler. We never even made it to Tyler. Okay, we have Ubuntu.zip. We have distros here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Windows subsystem for Linux on this thing. Okay, that was not. That was 100% not the correct way up. So, okay, that's okay. Um, let's. So, I'm IS app pool. We call reverse. I don't know if we're even supposed to be IS app pool. Well, look up. Let's look up a walkthrough for it. Let's look up a SecNotes walkthrough and see. Hey, we tried that. Did it work for him? So he put in password test test. Okay, so his server-side request project, so we got it a different way there. We utilized SQL injection there. Okay. Okay, we got the IS, right? And he's doing. Looks like he actually just ran a script. Command equals. Oh. So he ran a. Okay, no, but he's still going to do invoke PowerShell. You know why? Because we went straight for a PHP reverse shell. We became IIS app pool. He did a PowerShell. And who is he? He's Tyler. Oh, so he put in a command into here. So he did the whole command thing with it, right? And then, okay, so he became Tyler. And sure enough, there's Ubuntu, everything okay. Yeah, we did this. All sorts of different. Navigate to the folder of the Linux system. What's up, Ascertainment? How you doing? We just totally just bypassed every security protocol on this freaking box. Like, it was not intended at all. I don't think the way we just did it. So we did an SQL injection, and we were supposed to do cross-site request forgery. We did a PHP reverse shell, Windows reverse shell. We were supposed to do some type of Git command with it, right? So that we could run a PowerShell script. When we did our PHP reverse shell as Windows PHP reverse shell and called for it, we obviously became the IIS user, right? So we became IIS app pool, who has impersonate privilege. We then used that. Yeah, we bypassed everything on this box. Okay, let's see what we got here. Site login. Okay. Looks like he is doing the server-side request forgery also, looks like. Yep. Cross-site request forgery. I don't know why I just said server-side. Cross-site request forgery. So he did that. Okay. Which we tried that, actually. We couldn't get that to work. I mean, I tried like 2 times, but still. Okay. And unintended route. Second order SQLI. Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, that's what we did. Was the second order SQLI. Shell is Tyler. Yeah, see, he's dropping that PHP request command in there. He's dropping that into there. Running that who am I, who he becomes Tyler. And then from there, he's putting in to get an interactive shell. The root directory to shared web server needs to be cleared out very frequently. Yes, it does, which could get annoying. I create a quick script to get a shell callback. We didn't really even need that. We just prevents bash.exe. Enumerate hosts is a couple places that had. Okay, yeah, we thought it was on Linux subsystem, but we were already root. So he's going into. He's running that bash.exe. And then from here, it makes sense to run bash. The shortcut is to bash.exe, but it points to this place, which doesn't exist. So we would have to actually get that bash link, which we would never actually be able to get that because we were IIS user. We can't get into Tyler the way that we got into the box. Which, I mean, we could become NT system authority and do it, but it looks like he's looking at bash.lnk, which is looking for Windows system bash.exe, which doesn't exist, he's saying. And then you could run a where command, to bash.exe, which we could start off as IIS user and try the rest of this, I guess. Let's go ahead and start off as IIS user and try the rest of this. Oh, it's right there. He said it wasn't in there. Okay, there's another one like right here. Okay. So I wonder if we could just run this bash command. And I wonder if we could just do like a bash reverse shell with it. Can we just do something like this? Will this work? Anyone know? I don't see why it wouldn't. Oh, we'll do 443 so that one's already listening. I don't know how to run it. How do I run this? ID? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to run it. Seems like bash doesn't like to work with this user link right here. Oh, it's not going to be up anymore. Okay, so he's running bash. I'm not going to go through and do the whole thing, guys. Sorry. Because that shell.php already got cleaned out, did it? Okay, so he's going through and he's running that bash, right? And then he's looking in history and getting the administrator's password in history. Okay. So then he gets out of the administrator. So I guess we didn't really bypass really much. Except for half the box. But yeah. I mean, good box. multiple ways to escalate privileges, right? I was wondering because it all says medium. I'm like, I feel like this wasn't really medium, you know? Especially